And attorneys representing dozens of students and their families in District 211 out in Palatine were in court today. They have a lawsuit that is already making its way through the court system. But today, what they were asking a judge to do was temporarily stop transgender students from using the bathrooms they identify with. For several hours today, attorneys on both sides laid out their arguments for and against who should have access to bathrooms and locker rooms. More specifically, what bathrooms and locker rooms transgender students can use.
I hope that my children can grow up and attend a school where humanity and dignity for all is embraced.
So we're just trying to protect basic human dignity and decency, and we think the school's doing the wrong thing by trampling those rights in locker rooms and restrooms at their school.
About a year ago, a transgender student in District 211, known as Student A, complained she was denied access to the women's locker rooms and bathrooms, which led to a settlement with the district that granted the student access.
It makes a huge difference in their lives to be recognized as who they are.
For the first time, the district is allowing transgender students to use whichever bathroom and locker room they identify with, not the gender they were born with, which is in line with federal guidelines set out last school year.
The schools protect the privacy and dignity and safety of all students at school.
Two conservative groups representing 65 families argue Title IX has exceptions to it to protect privacy of students, which the court should recognize.
Title IX says there's no discrimination on the basis of sex, but it says there's some instances where sex matters. And one of those instances is locker rooms, restrooms, living facilities.
In an effort to help on the privacy front, the district added a handful of privacy stalls and changing rooms, though the district and attorneys for transgender students say few are using them. And they say those fighting against changes forget transgender people have been using the bathrooms they identify with long before today. And if there was a true safety threat, the district or parents would have heard about it.
What it means is that no one's being hurt by treating transgender people consistent with who they are.
It's not compassionate to tell every girl at this school district that they have to give up their privacy rights and their dignity every time they walk into the locker room and restroom.
The judge in this case told us that he was not going to make any decision today, and really we have no idea when that decision may come. However, both sides, both sets of attorneys agree on this, that decision should come sooner rather than later. We are live at the Dirksen Federal Building. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.
Okay, Eric, thanks very much.